In today's digital world, managing your data center infrastructure shouldn't slow you down. Introducing the Iron Mountain Data Center's Customer Portal, your comprehensive single pane of glass that puts you in control anywhere in the world with industry-leading security. Rest easy knowing your portal is secured by Okta, an identity provider with optional multi-factor authentication that can be enabled for all your portal users. From the moment you log in, your data center status is visible at a glance. Manage permissions efficiently through your portal, where you can assign role-specific virtual access or designate physical site access using configuration items, also known as CI. Need assistance? Connect instantly with our Global Network Operations Center agents through live chat, available 24/7, 365. Our experts will answer your questions or submit requests on your behalf. The System Status area in our portal instantly shows if any of your services are or have been impacted by a major incident. If your data center area is affected, you'll receive immediate notifications both in portal and via email. Monitor your critical infrastructure in real time with instant visibility into power, cooling, and humidity performance, plus review up to 90 days of historical performance data. Our Maintenance Center provides a calendar view of all scheduled changes affecting your specific data center areas, with email notifications tailored to each maintenance event's risk and impact level. Submitting a service request, from a Smart Hand service to updating your access list, is quick and easy. You can even engage with your customer service manager. Our Cases section provides instant visibility into all your active tickets, with detailed tracking from submission to resolution. In our Reporting area, you can view invoices and access comprehensive reporting on your access lists, configuration items, and detailed network services data. Have questions? The knowledge base on our customer portal gives you access to hundreds of articles, helpful videos, and FAQs. The Iron Mountain Data Center's Customer Portal, delivering comprehensive control, responsive support, and the reliability you expect from the industry leader in data center solutions.